From Istanbul to Shenzhen, from innovation to global trust, this is the story of ioma, a brand shaping the future of security. Founded in Istanbul in 2006, ioma began its journey with a mission, not only to produce security technologies, but to lead the industry with innovation and knowledge sharing. Within just a few years, ioma became a recognized name in Turkey. In 2012, the power of ioma moved to Shenzhen, the heart of technology in China. With strong production infrastructure and global vision, ioma transformed into an international brand. As of 2025, ioma enters a new chapter, building a global distributor network, delivering certified, easy-to-install products, and continuously developing technologies that empower our partners.
At ioma, we believe true success comes when our partners succeed. That is why we offer not just high-quality products, but also high profit margin, technical support, and strong after-selling service. Together, we build safer features.
Our philosophy is simple: combine technology and people to create the security that is reliable, innovative, and sustainable. Every product we design is made to empower our partners and simplify their business.
By moving our operations to Shenzhen, we placed ourselves at the center of innovation and manufacturing. Here we can oversee every step of production and quality, while developing products faster. This direct control is what makes ioma's solutions reliable for our global partners.
Reliability, innovation, collaboration, sustainability, and excellence. These are the foundations of ioma. For us, quality is not optional, it is essential. True security is not just technology, it is peace of mind. Today, ioma offers a complete range of CCTV cameras, monitoring systems, and intelligent software. Tomorrow we lead with AI-powered analytics, IoT smart solutions, and eco-friendly technologies. With headquarters in Shenzhen and partners across 30-plus countries, ioma delivers fast, reliable, and secure supply worldwide. Our distributors don't just buy products, they join a global ecosystem built on shared success.